Good morning, tutor and classmate. My name is Álvaro Vargas, and I want to answer my three questions about material design for face-to-face environment. The first question is, what would you use a video to teach in face-to-face environments? The first thing we must take into account is the objective. That is my point of view. It's the objective of the video, which is what we are going to teach. Starting from the point we can understand that through a video we can make known or related topic. For example, grammar. We can select a video. Grammar exercise are developed in a simple way. For example, dialogue or game or words, among other things. The second question is, what language skill would you practice by using this tool in face-to-face classes? How would you do it? I believe that through video we can practice listening and speaking exercise. Although we also know if it's more productive, we can apply writing and reading. As an example, we can use a dictation. It's a good example where the student write words that they know. We can perform repetition and pronunciation exercises. Finally, the third question is, according to you, in which competence is easier to use a video for face-to-face environments? I think that videos are very essential when it is required to learn grammar and when it is required to learn vocabulary. I confirm this because I am bored with grammatical topics and more when a person is teaching them in traditional way. It's very bored. That is, they do not apply plays and teaching, games and dynamics and another things. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, classmates.